Hey there, today we're going to take a look at my 10 favorite free YouTube tools. These are all tools that I've used in the past, currently still use, or have done an extensive demo or review of. And by the way, most of these tools also have a paid version, so as your channel grows, you can switch to the paid version, which will give you additional features. And I'll put links to each of these tools in the video description below so you can easily find them. So let's head to the computer and take a look at my 10 favorite free YouTube tools. Hey there, this is Ed Herzog with edherzog.com, and I'm here to help you build and grow your online business with video and with YouTube. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you know when I release a new video. Now, let's take a look at my 10 favorite free YouTube tools. So my first free recommended YouTube tool is Canva. Canva is a graphic design tool that you can use to create YouTube thumbnails as well as a channel art for your YouTube channel. And if you look here, you can see that they have a lot of different templates that you can use to start designing your YouTube thumbnails. And if I just click here, you'll see there are more and more and more. And then you can take these templates and tweak them to look the way that you want them to look. And the truth is, you can do a lot with the free version of Canva. In fact, I've been using Canva for years. I've designed hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of different social media graphics using Canva. And in all that time, I've only ever paid $1 for a very specific image that I couldn't find anywhere else. And I've tested out all the different graphic design programs, and in my opinion, you get a lot more out of the free version of Canva than you do out of the free version of their competitors. So you see here that with the free version of Canva, you get access to 250,000 plus free templates, 100 plus design types, hundreds of thousands of free photos and graphics. You can invite members to your team, you can collaborate and comment in real time, and you get 5 gigabytes of cloud storage. Plus, you get unlimited downloads. So Canva Free is definitely a tool that I recommend, particularly if you're just starting off on YouTube. My next recommended free YouTube tool is TubeBuddy. As you see here, TubeBuddy is a free browser extension and mobile app that integrates directly into YouTube to help you run your channel with ease. TubeBuddy gives you features such as SEO rankings for the keywords for your different videos, as well as allows you to do keyword research before you even shoot a video. So here you can see TubeBuddy at work on my channel. So these are the tags or the keywords that I've entered for this particular video. And these green numbers are being produced by TubeBuddy, and they show where I rank on YouTube for those particular tags or keywords. If I scroll down, you can see that TubeBuddy also recommends additional tags that I could enter for this video if I wanted to. So that's one example of a feature that you get with TubeBuddy. Now, TubeBuddy comes with a lot of different features, and you're obviously not going to get access to all of them in the free plan, but they do give away quite a bit for free. So if you look here under productivity tools, you do get quite a few different productivity tools. None of the bulk processing tools. You do get some of the video SEO tools, some of the promotion tools, some of the data and research tools, and you do get limited integration with the TubeBuddy mobile app. Now in my case, I have actually found it worthwhile to upgrade to the Pro version of TubeBuddy since my channel continues to grow. And in fact, the link that I'm going to put below in the video description will give you a free 30-day trial to one of these paid plans. But if you want to stick with the free version, again, you do get quite a bit out of the free version of TubeBuddy. Next up, let's take a look at Mixkit. Now Mixkit isn't a tool per se, but I still think it's definitely worth including in this video. As you see here, Mixkit gives you free assets for your next video project, including stock video clips, stock music, sound effects, and video templates. And it's brought to you by Envato Elements, which is a very well-known website where they have millions of creative assets that cost money. But here they're giving away assets for free. So as you see here, you have a lot of different options for stock video, and you can view more here, stock music, sound effects, and then video templates for specific programs such as Premiere Pro, After Effects, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. Now the one thing I will say is do make sure that you take a look at the license terms before you use any of these assets in your project, just to make sure that you're using them in a way that fits with the particular license terms for Mixkit. Next up, how about a free webcam recorder and screen recorder? Here I'm going to suggest Clapboard, which is brought to you by StoryExpress. So here are the features that you get with the free version of Clapboard. screen and webcam recording, upload, download, and share videos. You get access to the video drawing tools and annotations, and you can create GIF thumbnails. Plus you get integrations with Gmail, Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook. And by the way, I do have a longer demo and review of Clapboard by StoryExpress on my YouTube channel, and I'll link to that right now in case you want to check it out. Next up, how about a free platform for doing live streams? In this case, the tool I'm going to recommend is BeLive. I don't do any live streams anymore, but I have in the past, and this is a platform I use, and not only did it work great, even though I was only on the free plan, they gave me amazing customer support. So BeLive is a company that I absolutely recommend and believe in. Now here's what you get with the free version of BeLive. First of all, it will come with their branding on your screen. But in my opinion, if you're getting to use a tool for free, that is absolutely fine. You can do up to 3 live streams a month. You can have 2 on-screen participants, and you get access to their beta video editor. And then scrolling down, you can see as a host, you can share your screen. You can have a maximum of 2 people on the screen at the same time. You have 2 different screen layout options. You can schedule broadcasts. You can stream live to Facebook and YouTube. You can put an on-screen agenda. You can have running crawlers on your screen, and you can show comments on your screen. And you can have a live stream of up to 4 hours, which is a really long live stream duration, and I think beats the competition for a free plan, at least from what I've seen. Now, how about a free program for editing the sound on your videos? In this case, I'm going to recommend Audacity. And as far as I know, Audacity is 100% free. There is no paid option for Audacity. And I've been using Audacity to edit the sound on my videos for the last several months, and I definitely noticed an improvement in the sound quality for my videos. Now, the one thing I will say is that Audacity is a little complicated to use. So I recommend checking out some YouTube videos on how to use Audacity before you jump in and start using it. So now a 2-for-1. 2 different tools brought to you by the same company, Scribe. Scribe has a free tool for transcriptions and a free tool for subtitles for your videos. So let's take a look at the free transcription software provided by Scribe. So if I scroll down here, you can see there the free editor that they provide. And the features include the interactive transcription editor, speaker labels, playing videos from YouTube and Vimeo, advanced shortcuts, inserting timestamps, and auto loop. And then they also have a free subtitle editor that allows you to add subtitles or edit subtitles for your videos. So here you can see what the free editor looks like. And then here are some of the features. So again, you get access to the interactive subtitling editor, CPS and CPL management, visual subtitle timeline, timecode management. You can export in these different formats, and you can preview subtitles in real time. By the way, if you prefer not to do this manually, either your transcripts or your subtitles, Scribe also has automatic transcriptions, professional transcriptions, automatic subtitles, and professional subtitles. But again, those options will cost you money. Those are not part of the free options for transcription and subtitles that you get with Scribe. Next up, if you're looking for a URL shortener to shorten the links that you put down in your video description, then the tool that I recommend is called PixelMe. As you can see here with the free version of PixelMe, you get 5,000 track clicks per month. You can have up to 50 branded links, a custom domain, you get link clicks tracking, and link analytics. And if you scroll down, you see you get some additional features as well in the free plan for PixelMe. Finally, how about a free video editor? If you don't need to do any sort of sophisticated video editing, then take a look at the free editor that is included within YouTube. Again, it's not sophisticated, but it is a video editor that I used for a lot of my early videos. And with this editor, you can do things like trim your video, add music, and also add blurs if there are certain parts of your video that you need to block out. And again, this editor is 100% free, and it's included directly within your YouTube studio. So there you have it, my 10 favorite free YouTube tools. And remember, links to all these tools will be in the video description below. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.